Hello. Come on, let's keep working. So, I was doing this on the previous episode here, but I just realized that there's an there's more than I want empty space here. That's kind of a little bit problem because the alignment here correct, but the distance between those two are not correct. Yeah, that's a sad news. So what we can hear is there's an extension. I can see that there's a little bit extension, and let's try it out if I can do it. I'm just gonna try it and wish me luck. And if it's gonna work correctly, external phase along normals. Of course, it doesn't go in a good way, but whatever. All right, now you are belong here, just a little bit long. These are in the same distance, and look at this, it's a problematic here. And let's carry this to upside and a little bit front, and yeah, we got this. Let's have it here, and I can make extra piece here which is not in the reference image, so this is gonna be a secret between you and I. Okay, so we have this extrusion here exactly right here, and yeah, I can fill it with a pipe if I wanted, and maybe I could try it with some different kind of, yeah, that might work. And we have the railing here, but it's a little bit squeezed, and I need a room for a man. Standard size man can be stand there, and we have a couple of railings here. So let's go here. I can admit that these processes are a little bit boring. I can accept that. No offense, I know. But there's no faster way to do it. Okay? Please try to understand me. Okay? So I hope you found it useful. But even if you don't find it useful, I have no choice. Okay, we have extra balcony here. Look at this. This is a platform here. I decided to make it like with lots of people, but with a example characters, of course. So they can be looking a little bit weird and incorrect looking people. So that's all I can do, but I decided to fill all places with different kind of people. So we have this shape here, as you can see, and what we can here for it, you can follow that, or you can just try to have exactly the same shape. There's no problem to do it with that way, because it's, you know, it's possible for a building, and there's no problem with it. And maybe we can have some extra point just like this, and there's no problem. All right, I feel it that way. And after that, we have extra balcony, but with the cages here. That's what I understand from that structure, and I can make it similar, just like this. I need one extrusion here and go there. My version is a little bit different, I know that, but there's no problem with that. I'm just placing it, and let's leave it be. All right, and we have tons of small objects here everywhere, but this is not the right time to do that little extra works right now. So just a little bit patience. And since we have stairs there, it's, oh my god, that construction work again. Okay, I can mute the microphone and just work. All right, since they are waiting for me. Look at this. I waited for them to stop and they just started again drilling just in the same seconds I talk. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to make this area, okay? Just follow this. This is the place we are doing. This is the place I'm doing. Okay. That stupid construction workers. They couldn't finish it for 1 month. Can you believe that? That's a small house and they couldn't finish that construction work. Speechless. I'm speechless, man. Okay. It's been 1 month that I'm hearing that fucking drill machine. 1 month. Now I'm getting pissed off so bad. Anyway. It looks like there's another problem. You will see that. I realized that there's extra place here which is not in the reference, so I just decided to make it like this, and that's not a problem. And I'm just checking the old building here, and it looks like that it's looking fine. Now it's time to replace everything with the, actual objects here. That's not gonna be so long because I'm just gonna copy and paste and copy and paste. That's gonna be so fast. Let's check it out for the last result, how it's looking now. Yeah, I'm gonna have tons of details, and when I finish the details, it's gonna look so cool. And look at that sound. I wanna make it repeated because it's too big. Yeah, that's more correct. I can also make it bigger. That's why I made it as procedural. So I don't want to make it look like so low quality. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to have as details. Look at this. Exactly perfect looking building here. So I can apply this modifier, by the way. I have tons of modifier. So do you know what I'm gonna do? You don't need to make it like this, and if you don't have add-on like mine, it's hard ops, you can make it smart apply with one click, or you can do it just same operation with object. Go to here, convert and mesh. You can made it you made it for apply for every modifiers, so you can just apply, select all, and you can convert it to mesh, and you converted everything included curves, you made it as mesh, so you also applied all modifiers. All right, now I'm muting my microphone. I'm just gonna delete and clean up these colors. I'm gonna apply these materials for now, but I can change it one by one. It's gonna be so cool, guys. Just be patient. Sorry. So I'm just checking everything. Look at this detail. It's looking so cool, and let's keep placing it. I'm still using same Same stuff here. So do you remember what was I made? Come on, it's loading. I'm just gonna drag this. Now, now, now. I was almost choking with my own salvia. Oh, all right. So now I'm making it with just booleans. Sometimes I don't have to use it like this external frames, but I think if I place it just like this, it's gonna look more proper. You don't see any kind of external frames in the real life, so that's why I decided to make it like this. And oh, we have problem here, which is just rotate it and make it go inside the building. All right. So I just decided to do that, and I wanted to tell you also the advantage of working like this with your pack, with your kitbash set, just like this. For example, I'm selecting this, and I'm choosing to a material here. I'm selecting and link materials. It's like a library for myself. I'm applying it and cube projection. So now I'm gonna do similar operations for everywhere I see, and I'm also checking it like, there what is this here, and there's a plate and other stuff. I need to check it one by one here, but it's not a big deal. It's just gonna take a little bit less time, and just boolean, and let's decide to use something and snap it, select them and copy location, rotate it like before, and just place it. You could also do it, but I just applied it. Let me try a couple of things. If I fix it, just apply scale for the cutter. Okay, now just copy scale and look at this. Now it has different solution and different result, but it's still not what we want, exactly the same, the same dimensions. It's still not useful, but you can just fix it with doing that. All right, by the way, it's not x-ray vision, and I'm having problem with the selecting everything here. So do you see the advantage of procedural and PBR repeating textures? Look at this, there's no problem. It's not looking so bad, and you can understand that it's repeating. You can also hide repeating areas just like this. I remember that I have played a couple of games with so poor texturing, and the road was always repeating itself in a short distance. So that's not that shouldn't, and you need to avoid that. Okay, you can't have an texture with lots of repeating, and that's not gonna look natural and good. Okay, so what the fuck. So just avoid to repeat a texture so much and so often, and that's not a good solution. All right, let's keep doing this. All right, now we have the window here, this one. That's a big air conditioner here. That's a huge extra air conditioner here. There's no use to have something like this, but you know, I'm just following the reference. All right, let's make it bigger as possible. From now on, we're gonna just play with the objects and we're gonna fill all the building exactly like this. That's more fun than making it like block modeling. I know that. So that's the fun part. By the way, there's extra work, alternative method for this. Why didn't I do it? Just add new material here and just find your emission and assign that. That's so simple. I don't know. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. You can do it like this. I can hide it like this. You don't need to crop it or some extra work. Just sometimes you can use this for the fast way. Don't worry about this kind of UV map problems because it's just gonna make in like booleans and other stuff. So we're gonna fix it with one click after I finish these operations, because I'm still gonna cut from this wall here and I don't need to make it every time. So don't bother that. That's not a problem. All right, we have a bigger window here. And if I do it like this, I can show the doors, which I like that. So let's choose a door and place it there. Something like this, and yeah. And that's my daughter. Hello. What is that sound? Yeah. It's so hard to concentrate with that much noise. Do you see that what I'm doing with the cutting option? I'm just avoiding the extra time wasting with the where is this? Yeah, with the cropping, trimming, and other stuff. So you can easily make it look like good, just like this, and that's all. You see that? Now it's looking so natural, and just have an extra area for plants and flower pots just right here. Yeah, that's better. And the right side, there are a couple of small and big windows. So let's boolean and let's find another window just here. And of course, we're gonna make it exactly like this with the same method. And this time it has light. All right, this one has light. And don't forget to add light here. Emission and the light here. Yeah, exactly. And after that, I'm checking for extra light. We didn't forget anything. And that's the extra area on my own version here. By the way, do you want to check the overall building here? It's getting good and in a different way. Of course, we don't have fog here, and I also turned off a couple of things here, so that's gonna be cool. When I finish this, we gotta have tons of small details and other stuff. And yeah, right now it's already looking promising. Maybe I can change the color of this one here and make it more powerful. Yeah, that's more dramatic. And that's the building we have. The doors. Yeah, what a nice building, right? I'm just checking the details. And of course, we have small details. I'm just checking. I'm gonna model a ladder here. I'm gonna model just exclusive metal stairs here. Okay, we can finalize this episode here too, and we're gonna keep placing the objects. As you can see, it's going so fast. It's almost done, right? And after that, I'm gonna draw pipes and cables and other stuff and fill all the areas here just like this. And after that, I'm planning to make some posters, and we're gonna build ladders here. That's gonna be exclusive, not just with this, these materials here. And after that, we're gonna place the same ladder here and there. And after that, we need railings, just like the roof, and some here, one here. Look at this, railings here. And after that, I need to have a couple of antennas and radar maybe, and that will be so easy, and so that's so close. And I think I can duplicate this building here to background and here and there, and I'm just gonna change the light and the emission color. That's barely visible, the surface, so that's gonna be easy to make it. It's looking like a silhouette here, and that's gonna be cool when I finish. But I need a little bit more time. But meanwhile, I'm also making another tutorials, and you can watch this too. And I hope you subscribe and like and other stuff. These likes are so important, guys, because the YouTube is not suggesting you if you don't have enough like. Okay, so if you like it, exactly, literally, if you like it, just press like button. That's all my request from you for your support. Okay, thank you so much, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.